Hello friends, how are you? Welcome, Babu. Okay, today we'll try to discuss the basicity order of ammonia, primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. We can discuss the basicity order in aqueous solution as well as gaseous system. In gaseous state, basicity order of ammonia, primary, secondary, tertiary amine can be determined as per plus I effect. Remember, methyl group possesses plus I effect. Means methyl group always ready to repel electron pair to other atom. In case of ammonia, nitrogen is bonded with 3 hydrogen atoms. In primary amine, CH3NH2 nitrogen bonded with 2 hydrogen and 1 carbon atom, it is known as primary amine. In case of secondary amine, nitrogen is bonded with 2 other carbon and 1 hydrogen is known as secondary amine. In case of tertiary amine, nitrogen is bonded with 3 other carbon atoms, no hydrogen is attached with nitrogen atom. One more thing. In all types of ammonia as well as amines and ammonia, one lone pair of electron is present on nitrogen atom. That's why these all ammonia, primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine always are ready to donate pair of electron. That's why these all compounds possess basic property. But in this compound, which one is more basic, which one is less basic? If you want to determine by using plus I effect, we can determine which one is more basic, which one is less basic. Now you see, methyl group is electron repelling group. In tertiary amine, nitrogen is bonded with 3 carbon atoms. That's why from 3 side, yes, methyl group is repelling group. That's why तीनों ओर से नाइट्रोजन की ओर बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर का रिपल्सन लगेगा ऑन लॉन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. दैट्स व्हाई इस टाइप के एमाइंस की इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर लूज करने की टेंडेंसी ज्यादा होगी. Whereas in case of secondary amine, 1 hydrogen and 2 methyl groups are there. In secondary amine, from 2 side electron repulsion is there. तो इनकी कंपेयर टू टर्शियरी अमाइन, इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग प्रॉपर्टी विल बी लेस कंपेयर टू टर्शियरी अमाइन. इन प्राइमरी अमाइन ओनली वन मिथाइल ग्रुप इज देयर, ओनली वन इलेक्ट्रॉन रिपेलिंग ग्रुप इज देयर. तो इनके ऊपर फ्रॉम ओनली वन साइड से इलेक्ट्रॉन रिपेलिंग लगेगा. तो इनकी टेंडेंसी इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करने की टेंडेंसी इनसे कम होगी. इन केस ऑफ एमोनिया, there is no any electron repelling group, only 3 hydrogens are there. तो हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रॉन रिपेल नहीं करेंगे, तो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करने की टेंडेंसी इसकी सबसे कम होगी. दैट्स व्हाई बेसिसिटी ऑर्डर ऑफ टर्शियरी अमाइन is greater than secondary amine, is greater than primary amine, is greater than ammonia. Yes, after giving 180 degree rotation to this order, ये ऐसा हो जाएगा ammonia less than primary amine, less than secondary amine, less than tertiary amine. By using plus I effect, we can judge the tertiary amine is more basic compared to secondary amine, is more basic compared to primary amine, more basic compared to ammonia. In aqueous solution, yes, solvation effect is most important factor to determine the basic order of compounds: ammonia, NH3, RNH2, this is primary amine, RNHR, this is secondary amine, and RNRR, this is tertiary amine. Yes, this is the basic compound. When they achieve H plus, at that time they will give conjugated base acid. NH4 ammonium ion. When nitrogen form 4 bond, at that time plus 1 charge will be present on nitrogen atom. In RNH3 plus RNRH2 plus RNHRR a plus charge. Stability always depends upon the hydrogen bond formation. In case of ammonium ion, there are 4 H bond formations are there. How many bonds formed by ammonium ion? 4. In case of secondary amines, conjugated acid, yeah, only R group is there. R will not form hydrogen bond. Secondary amine का conjugated acid will form only 3 hydrogen bond. And if primary का और secondary amine का conjugated acid will form only 2 hydrogen bond. And conjugated acid of tertiary amine will form only 1 hydrogen bond. H bond formation की कैपेसिटी यहाँ ज़्यादा है, तो उनकी basicity ammonia, it will totally reverse compared to your secondary and tertiary. Gaseous state में ammonia is less than primary, less than secondary and less than tertiary, लेकिन solvation effect पर में ammonia is more basic than primary amine, is more basic than secondary amine, is more basic than tertiary amine. Okay friends, thank you very much.